Cloning a Mac drive keeps everything intact. Here's how: fast and safe. Start by choosing a destination drive equal or larger than your source. Connect the drive, open Disk Utility, select the disk, and erase as APFS. For a bootable clone, use Carbon Copy Cloner or SuperDuper for reliability. In the cloning app, select Source, choose Destination, and Review Settings. Enable verification, snapshot options, and exclude active backups before cloning. Begin the clone and watch the progress bar. Don't interrupt power or disconnections. When complete, confirm the destination mounts and shows the expected volume size. Open Finder to spot check folders and important files are present on the clone. Test boot by restarting, hold Option, then select the clone drive to boot. Open Apps and Files to confirm everything runs and licenses are intact. Label drives, keep regular backups, and never overwrite your source by mistake. Done. Check the description for links and detailed steps.